Gurley, Donald, do you guys wanna go to the beach? Gurley, Donald, do you guys want to go to the beach? You wanna go to the beach?
Okay, boys, do you want to tell everyone where we're going today? Where are we going? Are we going to the beach? Are we going to the beach? Boys, do you want to tell everyone where we're going today? Gurley? Boys, do you want to tell everyone where we're going today? Are we going to the beach? Who wants to go to the beach? Who wants to go to the beach? No response. Donald, do you want to go to the beach? Oh, there we go. Gurley, you want to go to the beach? Yay! We're going to the beach. Okay, boys, who's ready to go to the beach? Let's go! They are ready. Well, we are on our way to the Huntington Dog Beach and currently sitting in lovely LA traffic.
Yeah, I don't know if there's like an accident or something, but we literally are in park right now, as are many other vehicles.
Yeah, we haven't moved in like the last 5 minutes at least. And we're so close. It's only showing like this much more of red.
Yeah, that's if Google Maps is accurate.
Yeah, that's true. But we were originally going to go on a hike with the dogs today.
Too hot. It was...
Yeah.
Even we got up early and it still was going to be like 97.
Yeah, up to like 100 by the time we finished. Ooh, we're moving! Yay! So we decided not to go on the hike, and then another thing, as being in California, we're kind of battling the air quality right now with all the fires, so...
Yes, we do have to say we are safe, and
yes,
we are very blessed. Where we are, we've had some fires near us, but they haven't directly affected us.
Mm-hmm. And our air quality at our RV park is actually pretty decent.
It's been 150 some days.
Yeah, but right now it's like in the 80s. Sad that that's good, but you know. So we decided to do a day at the beach. Get some cooler weather and hopefully some better air quality. And the dogs will enjoy it. So now that we're on the move, we'll catch you guys at the beach. Very, very nice. And the dogs are rearing to go. And so many dogs in here, right? All right, boys. Gurley. Donald. Ready? Gurley is. Donald. Let's go to the beach, come on!
See that little empty spot?
Yeah.
Or there's an empty spot kind of over here, past that tent.
Boys, what do you think? I think Donald chooses to go that way. Yeah. Let's go. So we're here finally at the Huntington Dog Beach.
Yeah, so much fun.
Yeah, the dogs are loving it. And
This is something we don't do often.
no, well, right now we're about like an hour and a half away from
Yeah, so you come out for a day trip, it's like a 3 hours worth of driving, plus LA traffic, so depending on when we leave here, it could be longer.
Yeah, but definitely worth it. Whenever we're here, we're always like, oh, we need to come out here way more. So,
Well,
definitely
specifically
though,
this is our first time at this dog beach.
Yeah, and actually the dogs are doing great. It's not too crowded here, which is super nice. You know, Donald now is loving the water.
Yeah, ever since he learned how to swim,
he's not afraid of it anymore. And you know, it's also just kind of nice for us. The weather's a little bit cooler here. The water feels really nice.
It is a little hazy.
Yeah.
I'm guessing from the fires.
A little bit of just fog. It almost looks like more fog, but I don't know. Who knows at this point? But I think we're just gonna go enjoy it. I'm already like wet all the way up to my legs.
Feels so nice to be in the water.
So nice.
So nice to
Be outside.
Yeah, be outside.
Fresh air.
See people.
Yeah.
Even though we are keeping our distance and everything, but it is nice to see people out and about.
Yeah. And,
Although, not packed at all out here.
No.
But it's a
Not
Tuesday.
dogs
What
either.
would you expect?
Yeah.
You know?
We're just gonna go have some more fun with the dogs.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Go get Dad. Donald always beating up on Gurley. Come on. Good boy, Gurley. Come on. Let's go. Gurley. Gurley. Come on. Gurley loves the water.
It is cold.
It is a little chilly. The pups, the beach, and the ocean. Ah. Good boys. Come here!
Gurley! Gurley! Ah, the sound of the water.
So amazing. Oh, it's a wave! Here it comes! Yeah, before Donald wouldn't even go into the wave. Gurley comes to me for protection from his brother. Ready? Well, after the beach, we are here for some wine and cheese. And cheers to Day the Beach.
Cheers to tube wine.
So good. Gurley and Donald love when we go to wine bars because they hope to get some cheese and bread. But it's all for us. Yum. Time to head home. It's a great day at the beach, some good food and wine after, and now time to go home and get some rest.
We are timeless. 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 I am frozen. We are timeless. I'm moving. I'm standing still. We are timeless. Shadows of your twilight. We are timeless.
And this is what happens after the beach. So much sand everywhere. This is my 5th time vacuuming the couch.
And for